Hello everyone and welcome to this segment on the scope and purpose of ISO 21500. My name is Devarshika Nigam and today we'll explore why this standard is essential for project management and what it aims to achieve. What is ISO 21500? ISO 21500 is an international standard that provides guidance on project management. It was developed by the International Organization for Standardization, commonly known as ISO, and was first published in 2012. This standard offers a high-level description of concepts and processes that are considered to be good practices in project management. Scope of ISO 21500. Let's begin with the scope of ISO 21500. Universal application. ISO 21500 is designed to be applicable to any type of organization, whether public, private, or community-based, and regardless of its size or the nature of the project it undertakes. Guidance on best practices. It provides guidance rather than prescriptive instructions, meaning it outlines best practices and processes that can be adapted to the specific needs of an organization or project. Wide range of projects. The standard is relevant for all types of projects, including simple, small-scale projects to large, complex ones across various industries. Purpose of ISO 21500. Now let's talk about the purpose of ISO 21500. Enhance project management practices. The main purpose of ISO 21500 is to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of project management practices. By providing a framework of best practices, it helps organizations achieve their project objectives more reliably and predictably. Facilitate communication. It aims to facilitate clear and effective communication among project stakeholders. By providing a common language and standard processes, it ensures that everyone involved has a shared understanding of the project goals and methodologies. Support organizational strategy. ISO 21500 helps align project objectives with the strategic goals of the organization. This alignment ensures that projects contribute to the broader organizational objectives and deliver value. Foster continuous improvement. The standard encourages a culture of continuous improvement in project management practices. It emphasizes learning from each project and using those insights to improve future projects. Benefits of implementing ISO 21500. Implementing ISO 21500 brings numerous benefits, including improved project outcomes. With a clear framework and best practices, projects are more likely to be completed successfully. Enhanced communication. Clear guidelines help improve communication within the project team and with external stakeholders. Consistency. Consistent processes lead to predictable results, making it easier to manage and replicate project success. Competitive advantage. Organizations that effectively manage projects can deliver better results, thereby gaining a competitive edge in the market. In conclusion, the scope and purpose of ISO 21500 are to provide a universal framework for project management that enhances efficiency, communication, and alignment with organizational goals. By adopting this standard, organizations can improve their project management practices and achieve better project outcomes. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions about the scope and purpose of ISO 21500 or how it can be applied in your organization, please feel free to ask now. Now let's open the floor for questions. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.